Hey, welcome to watch the demo of my final project for the IoT course. All I have developed is called a knob knower, which detects the rotation of the knob and that of the door. And I'll put a basic introduction in a comment. Now let's take a look at the hardware setup. So the sensor I use is an MPU sensor. It's MPU 6050 GY521, and it collects the data of gyroscope and accelerometer, and it transmits them into this Raspberry Pi over here, and this Pi collects the data, then uploads it to the server. And for the demo, we just need to view the data locally and analyze the result. So I used VNC to connect the Raspberry Pi to my laptop. So after running the program, you can see this is the gyroscope and accelerometer it detects, and they will also inform us whether the door is opened or the knob is turned. So why don't we give it a try now. Now if we run the script, it starts detecting because my door was open just now, so it says door opened, and let's see, if I turn the knob, so it will detect, and if I turn the door, rotate the door, it will also be detected. And you also see if we open the door, the lid will be lit on, and also that also happens when we turn the knob. Okay, so now I will simulate two scenarios. The first one is when I walk out of the door. So yeah. In this case, both the knob turn and the door rotation are detected, which are shown in the laptop over there. It's really hard to see. And since most of the doors have different knobs on either side, so basically the knob on the outside part is not rotatable. So by doing this, only the door is rotating, not the knob. Okay, now the light goes off. So lastly, I will show the detected data on ThinkSpeak, and this will be downloaded to my phone by this app. Well, since I'm using the phone as the recorder, I cannot show the app now. I will attach the screenshots in the command if that's an option. Okay, thank you for watching.